This is the OPAL rocket flight computer. I am building this because I want to send a rocket to about 3,000 feet above the UK. What OPAL will do is record the altitude and also shoot off the parachutes and launch the rocket when necessary. So get ready, because this is Building Skyro, episode 1. Alright, now the... oh gosh, damn it. Okay, let's start again. So what you're watching me do... wow, that rhymed. So what you're watching me do is build the flight computer. As you can see, this is the prototype design. This is it in 3D. On the side it says Project X, and that was the placeholder name for this campaign / OPAL rocket flight computer. And this is the final design of the flight computer, and as you can see, it is a nice sleek design. It is in white because I thought that looked nice. On the side there are many other things. You can tell I haven't scripted this. Anyways, this over here is now the design in real life. I ordered it off JLC PCB, and it came in the mail like this. Also, I kind of based it off of the Ava board by Joe Barnard and BPS.space, and because I thought it just looks really nice like this. On the board there are two PYROS, one for rocket motor ignition and one for parachute deploy. On the side we have the MS5611 altimeter / barometer. There are two transistors which run into a 9-volt battery which supply the PYROS. There's an SD card reader for data logging. And then finally the whole middle section is for one buzzer, as well as the Arduino Nano, which will control everything on it. At the top we have a white LED that will show if the board is powered. And on the side there's another LED which will show what status the rocket is in at the moment. At the bottom there are two diodes going into the grounds of the PYROS so the computer doesn't blow itself up. And there's a pulsar map of our sun as a little Easter egg of Voyager 1's golden record. Now it's time to solder the components onto the board. So after that was done, it was time to solder the Arduino Nano board on. So I have soldered all of the components that I have onto the board. In the next video I'm going to be soldering on the SD card reader and the altimeter. But now it is time to test out if this actually works. The cool thing about the Arduino Nano is it has a micro USB port, so I can basically just directly plug it into my phone. But first I have the launch timer code that I have written out, as you can see. And what it does is it powers up the Arduino Nano and does the launch sequence. So right now I'm going to plug in my phone, and see if it actually works. So there you go, the board completely blew up. Okay, seriously though, the board actually did complete its flight countdown, which is pretty good. and it does show statuses, which is also very good. That is pretty much all that I have to say in this video, and again, the next video is going to be about the altimeter / barometer. So I'll see you all later.